Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything on and getting ready. Turn your headset on, wake the Xbox, and pick up the controller. Make sure the headset battery is above 20% so pairing doesn't drop. Once done, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Navigate to settings so you can access devices and connections. Stay within 3 meters and remove other Bluetooth noise sources. This reduces interference and helps the pairing process succeed quickly. You now initiate pairing. From accessories, select your controller, then choose to pair a headset or add an accessory. Hold the headset's pairing button until its LED blinks and watch the console list appear. Make sure to press confirm on the controller when the headset shows up. The Xbox links profiles and routes audio. If the headset needs a firmware prompt, accept it. Firmware sync ensures mic and chat controls work properly. Keep devices steady until the process You finish by testing audio. Join a party or launch a game to verify game sound and chat levels. Then open sound settings to balance headset volume and microphone sensitivity. Make small adjustments to avoid clipping or whisper-level chat. If pairing fails, power cycle the console and headset, reconnect the controller, and repeat the pairing steps. This often clears transient issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure no other paired device is actively holding the headset connection before you retry pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.